John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take. And this is going to be a little bit different. I'm having some video complications, so this is going to be all pictures, and you're not going to get to see my pretty face. But today, we're going to talk about the GLM Lincoln Continental Convertible from 1959, and this is a prototype. Now, the Continental started life as a convertible when Edsel Ford had Eugene Gregori redesign a Lincoln Zephyr convertible, and it was essentially a chopped and channeled Zephyr, but it was absolutely stunning, created a sensation right from the get-go. The Continental stayed in the lineup through 1948, and then the nameplate went away for a while, but it returned as its own nameplate with the iconic 1956 Lincoln Mark II. Actually, 1956 Continental Mark II. It was not a Lincoln, it was a Continental. Own division. It was beautiful. It was very expensive. A guy named Robert McNamara, yes, that Robert McNamara, became vice president of Ford. And in the meantime, Lincoln was struggling. McNamara, who was instrumental in dooming Edsel almost right from the start on that one, wanted to shut Lincoln down. In any case, he nixed a restyle of the Mark II, closed the Continental division, and demanded that the new Continental for 58 be built up from the Lincoln platform. Now, John Najjar and Elwood Engel managed to give the new 58 Continental some distinguishing features to set it apart from Lincoln's. They had a unique grille. All Continentals had the reverse slant roofline in the back. Even the convertibles had that feature. The design for 1959, same basic car, but it was toned down a little bit. Gone were the Dagmar bumpers up front. Gone were the deeply sculpted sides. Nevertheless, it was still one of the largest cars ever made in the USA. So GLM's developing a 143rd model of the 59 convertible. And the colors of these two prototypes that we have here are Presidential Black with a black interior and Bolero Red with a white interior. Now, we'll probably see these same colors in production. We'll see when we get a little bit closer. So what I want to do right now is get these on the turntable and take a close look at them and give you some close-ups as well. Let me give you a word about these prototypes. GLM stamp, very generous in sending them to us. They're looking for your comments. Obviously, these are late in production, so there are not going to be any major changes, but there could be some detail changes, and they listen for what you have to say about it, in particular, you experts in this field. So what I'd like you to do is, if you have those comments, put them in the bottom down below the video. Now you can see the video on YouTube by clicking on the YouTube icon down in the lower right. That'll take you right to the YouTube site, and you can put your comments in there. Or you can email them to me, or you can put them in the comment area on Facebook, whatever. I'll compile them. But this is GLM and Stamp just working real hard with their client base to give them products they want. These models are spectacular. The detail work on them is amazing. So I look forward to hear what you have to say about them. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Do me a favor before you go. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like in the lower right-hand corner there. Love to have you as a subscriber. We got a bunch of stuff coming up. I've got some more prototypes and one or two new lines of models you're going to want to hear about. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back again soon.